If you want to go straight to a particular type of cell format, there's some great shortcut keys. So first off, general number format is Ctrl and the squiggly line. Right. Number format, Ctrl Shift 1, straight off. Percent, Ctrl Shift 5%. Currency, Ctrl Shift 4, and that will put up whatever your default currency is for your version of Excel. And this one I love, it is the date, which is Ctrl and hashtag. And there you go. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.